Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to set your bio in the Pinterest app. First you have to open up the app. Here it opens up in the home menu where we have some pins. From here we just go into the profile menu, and here we tap on edit profile. Then we scroll down and here we have an about section. We can tap on this and here we can type in our bio basically. If we want to share something with our followers, we can do it right here. And then after we are done, we just tap on done in the top right corner, and the bio is going to be updated here. So yeah, I guess that's pretty much it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one.